Our favorite Ghanaians living in Nigeria, greetings to you. Greetings to any Ghanaian living in Nigeria. At wherever you live in Nigeria, whatever state you live in Nigeria, as soon as possible, today, up to tomorrow, get your documents processed, get your tickets, whatever that you can get to rush to Ghana or to come home. Do it very fast, please. Ghana Nibia or Nigeria. Ghana Nibia or to Koyako Nigeria. Minimum way no. As soon as possible. Ghana. Ghana. Brefi.
Ghanaians are already advising their fellow Ghanaians living in Nigeria to return back home. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. This is serious. This is a serious issue caused by one man. One man is making us to suffer like this. One man. One man. Guys, why should I suffer for a sin I have no clue how it happened? For something I'm not even benefiting from. Why should I suffer for it? This is our state right now, Nigerians living in Ghana. Something we know nothing about. We don't know anything about all of this. Meanwhile, the person who brought all this confusion is there, relaxing, happily married to a Ghanaian, enjoying with his kids. See, the kind of enjoyment this man is enjoying, I don't think he has enjoyed that enjoyment before now that we are talking about. It be like say the enjoyment is now Pro Max. Aye. And we don't know anything about this issue. Now they carry ourselves to go house. Guys, as I did like this, I'm packing up my box. Seriously, I have to leave. I have to leave because I can't be able to. No. My strength can't be able to contain this. I'm in Ghana for peace of mind, and all of this is happening. It's giving me sleepless nights. Then why should I be here? And my advice for my fellow Nigerians, the innocent ones, please start looking for money. If you don't have transport, look for transport and return back for now. When everything's settled, then you return back. Because this is becoming serious. So they're already asking Ghanaians in Nigeria to return back. Hey, wahala, oh. Wahala, this sign, this to let you know that this thing, they no angry at all. At first, I was thinking maybe everything is gonna, like, they will change their mind. Or, hey, it's serious, oh. But then let's get right into the video. There's a lot you really have to see, guys. I'll be right back.
Abusia asɛm wasi o Ghana for Nigeria for nsɛm ya ɛkɔso no me no kɛse ɔmo si Ghana ni bi a wɔwɔ Nigeria for no atoa no akɔ no yes ɛfa kyɛ sɛ nsɛm ya ɛyɛ den ɛkɔso no na mesrɛ mo yɛnkonkotie ɛnhwɛ emu nsɛm sɛdeɛ esi ɛteɛ yɛ no bre yi ɛna wɔbɔ yɛmudie ɛyɛ den asi ɛwɔ Nigeria ɛyɛ Ghana ni awɔ Nigeria for no atoa no akɔ no yayaya yes yɛntie no na Nigeria for na mode wo edi agoro no sa wo mode o munya ready so mo Ghana for be di agoro yen hwe de echo.
I swear I will kill any Nigerian I see. I will fight and kill any Nigerian I see. Now did we kill anybody in this? You are coming for our land in Ghana here and we were telling you that we won't agree. Don't come for our land and then come and establish your kingdom. Did we kill anybody in this? Why should you Nigerians go to the Ghanaian consulate and then go and kill a lady who works at the embassy there in Nigeria? Did we kill anybody in this? I demand an answer from the Ghana army. And I also demand an answer from the Ghana police. I am demanding an answer from you. And I'm demanding for justice. I am demanding for justice. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Even if I am going this morning, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., I am going to Bema Camp and then the Jubilee House. Bema Camp and then the Jubilee House. Even if nobody will join me in this, I stand alone. Because I am already the first person to step forward in this revolution. I stand alone. I am going there. This morning, I'm going to demand for an answer. I am going to demand for an answer. Why should you go and kill the lady who is working at the embassy there? What has she done? What has she done? Did we kill anybody here? And we have several Nigerians in Ghana here who are what? Killing Ghanaians. We said they kill a taxi driver. What did you say about that? What did you say about that? Why should you go to what? The Ghanaian consulate there? The embassy at Nigeria and then go and what? Go and kill a lady there. Did we kill anybody in this? I am demanding an answer from the military. Please, if you know you cannot do the job, just hand over the ammunitions. Hand over the ammunitions, hand over the guns. I am coming to demand an answer from you this morning. I am coming there this morning. I am coming there. I am coming there this morning, coming to demand an answer from you. Why should I have Nigerians who have been killing Ghanaians just like that? And then we stay quiet. And then you still have the guts to go to the embassy in Nigeria to go and then kill a lady who works at the embassy there. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Did we kill anybody in this matter? And you have this stupid ego chief who is saying that nobody can stop him in this. Nobody. Why? What do we owe you here? What do we owe you here? What do we owe you here? I am coming this morning. This one I'm coming to demand an answer from you. I'm coming this morning. I am coming this morning, and this morning is Saturday. I am coming to demand an answer. I am coming to demand an answer. Other than that, I will fight any Nigerian I see. I will fight any Nigerian as best as I can, and anybody that I can. And I'll make sure I will destroy that person. I am telling you. I will fight any Nigerian I see. I am demanding an answer from the Ghana military and the Ghana police. I am coming this morning to question any military officer I see. What is your talk in this? What is your matter in this? What is your matter in this? How come they have to kill a lady who is working at the embassy in Nigeria? How come they have to kill a Ghanaian lady who is working at the embassy in Nigeria? What is the meaning of that? And what are you saying to that? If you know you can't do the job, just hand over the ammunitions. And if you know you are with this, this good for nothing president, as if he's a man, as if he's a woman, and you can't do the job, and he also is not saying anything, and the media has kept quiet about this. They are not even broadcasting it. What is the meaning of that? I am coming this morning, and I will demand an answer from any military officer I see. If you don't tell me anything good, I will start it personally. And even if nobody will tell me this morning, Saturday, I will walk there alone, and I'll question the police or any military officer. I am coming to Burma camp, and I'm coming to question anybody I see. What is the meaning of that? Why should we go and kill an innocent lady? Did we kill anybody in this? I'll do it personally. If nobody will even back me, I will do it personally. I am coming this morning, and if I don't get any proper answer now, if I don't get anybody to answer my questions, I will start it personally. And even if you don't give me the guns, I will do it personally.
Abusia we a video abranti waye edi ababontinya wo chire ensemu about ehse Nigeria achese Ghana ni ewo makokum no embassy a wanhyeda ama yentike nchiremu de but we eye de wode aiden odi ababontin concerning sa case ye follow de binya bia no hu ye di bebremu yentie we so embra achese eye sa yen ensensemu ya
Nigeria ni egbokin asemu abey me imagine say me rush pi me hwade na ma hwe Ghana for reactions na san na be ba live our TikTok me ba ye no bumudodo no a mboba so bi musumu huni me fendi pa 53 no me nya nipa ba ko pa wo prince say egbokin no o metena Ghana ha na ombe create the empire. And to say a survey and an what it means, they say respondents in the Nipanwa, they pick you at random no. 100%. Ubunya see in Yapapano ewa Ghana ha. After security implications. Send a mind bisu eyonini. Wokona de wode bane adwene pakura no a was see a man for say. Adana be katra ban. E did also ban yen say. Would ye man the benefit of the doubt to say the papa de ban obey investment. Obeto asase obebe be nyuma be papa ka kwan obebe hotels and restaurants na de ade at schools hospitals. Ya de pa. Nanso Ghana for ne say yempe. Enti say aban tena ho. Na ne manfo ato aba amano. Not the larger population, you know, or share the lion's share of the percentage in one. Do be I can say yempe. One for us ko. Or maybe I deba ku here in asumdue. Asumdue ma untimi ntumpon. Ento mampani mahama. De papa ni de bebia. Me hu so akoshe sha mampani fo adadafo we influence society opinion leaders. Enta hemfo ene amampanifo amotwemo de oteso abanwo do asofo ene mo amode mo hagim samtrefo ene obi a ode no hagim bia no de tie ne se we de fo asem pakodo do de ba na ye kora omanfo no ese yempe So man for see and pen I say change our own fambra. I buy or man for my banner some dear.
Our favorite Ghanaians living in Nigeria, greetings to you. Greetings to any Ghanaian living in Nigeria. At wherever you live in Nigeria, whatever state you live in Nigeria, as soon as possible, today, up to tomorrow, get your documents processed, get your tickets, whatever that you can get to rush to Ghana or to come home. Do it very fast, please. Ghana Nibia or Nigeria. Ghana Nibia or to Kwayako Nigeria. Minimum way no. As soon as possible. Ghana. Ghana. Brafi. Ghana Nibia or Nigeria. Sisiye. O Ghana. We Ghana ni not in Nigeria. Mesra. Wouldn't wabush any beer or in Nigeria. Sabra bona twitwa sede enkora enkwa hia dwane bra abaywa no mokunu no on the 19th Ghana force be demonstration yenim de besi enti so we Ghana ni waso den na so wanye be bia ntan Nigeria na obatana na se demonstration na bibi kosi na se yetawo ho a ebia na the president of Ghana President John Dramani Mahama ba so ma se ye mefa omra na so wahwe be ba no na wonti nkwam mesere mu nti we Ghana ni na wo Nigeria se abria ye kase ya Nigeria fo ni bi ma ye wo Ghana ha bi no a mo mpa mo hase ma hyase ese mo ne makọ to brafi na ne ma munyo ansa na basenya kwa wasenya ko yesere mo Ghana ni biara wo Nigeria brafi before demonstrations ne niema a hyase bo no ne ye mu bi mo ya so adin ade betima ko fo hawa ba no ne ye bu ya ni aguso won say TV stations FM stations are ye kasa bla 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 no sisi obi ayedi na wo de etena ho obi ba na yakum no no wo de etena ho yakum wi a wakokase mihu yanka wo onwie bi anaso wo busuani bi a wo ye Ghana ni oti Nigeria into the phone brafi after that bibia mudwo a Ghana ni Nigeria for the ni ntokwa bibia mudwo a wetima senya ko back na wakoto adwuma so
abusia na tete mpanyinfo se asam kese ABC ya na Franka enye den ensi so anti we ane de yese ekwa yeso mukunkum wo mo ewo Nigeria na Nigeria fo no ekunkum Ghana fo no ewo Nigeria on se yen kura de ne koso ha yen start yen nkum obi awu Nigeria fo ni bi mpo na sanso kum Ghana ni ene yen mpanyinfo mo wo jimijimi omugu ho omugu na just Nigeria for na chika na aboso na say omudi e wo sabi no omudi di me mpanifo na e mpanifo no ya udifu na cocaine e ho ade ade no wa na ye wo yani na wunya duani ni no wo na wo cocaine na eya wo moa.
Wow, guys, this is becoming very serious. As it is right now, I think I'm already packing my bags, getting ready to return back to Nigeria. This is serious. It's becoming too serious that my strength cannot carry this. I can't be able to stay and witness all of this happening, seriously. Because we're not even sure how it's going to end up. Nobody is very sure about how this thing is going to occur. And I don't know. I just want a peaceful Ghana. The peaceful Ghana that you and I know. That's just what I want. They don't know us to be like these Ghanaians. We should not allow ourselves to be used by the devil. I'm not advising you guys on what to do. But look at what is happening. Look at the inconvenience we are going to cause our fellow brothers, our Ghanaians in Nigeria. They are already wanting them to come back because of what they are anticipating, what is going to happen on the 19th. Oh my God, that 19th, oh my God, like I'm so scared of that 19th. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm scared of that very day, guys. I don't know. I don't even know what to say again, but let's call this video a wrap. Yeah, so bye-bye.